In front of me is Black Shark Pad 7, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the voice recorder. First of all, you need to find the recorder app that's already on your tablet and click on it. Then tap on allow and allow while using in all available pop-ups. Before starting recording, tap on those two dots, actually it's 3 dots at the top right corner, and hit voice quality to apply the best one for you. Then use red button at the bottom left corner to start. Hit allow and enjoy recording. If you want to pause it or unpause it, use the same left button. To end it and save it though, click on the right one. Now, you can delete it right away by hitting this card. You can listen to it by tapping on play. Or you can save it by clicking on save button on the right. Now, to access your recording, when your recorder is off, tap on this icon at the bottom right corner. To play one, click on it. And to manage it, so click, hold it, and use all of those options at the bottom, which in this case is only delete. So tap on bin icon and confirm your choice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!